Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G60s, and today I'll show you how you can record your screen on this phone. Now to get started, you'll want to pull down your notification panel. By default, the toggle looks to be located on the second page for me, as you can see right here, screen recorder. And once you find it, you can simply tap on it, select start. It will count down from 3, and it's going to start recording with indication of vibration for some reason. Anyway, whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device, including opening apps and stuff like that. Once you're done, you can click on the square right here to stop the recording. And I will mention one last thing which I consider to be fairly important for some people probably, which is screen recorder doesn't always record every app. There are apps like, for instance, Netflix, which will completely block screen recorder. So when you try to record things like shows, all you're gonna get is sound with a black screen. So just keep that in mind. If you're wondering why something wasn't recording, why you got a black image on your recording, that is why the application is just simply blocking you. Anyway, once you have finished your video recording, screen recording, you can find it under Photos application. And as you can see, it's right here. Additionally, if you see albums, you can navigate to albums and screen recorder. And when I play it, well, it's already playing, so I'm just gonna let it run. So there we go. That is basically how you record your screen on this phone. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.